So this song is called Acapella. It's the third time I've ever sung it for anybody. Y'all are special, alright? So this is my last song.
That's how fingers get so damn bloody.
I'm out to be the best me that I can be. Working my craft day in and out. You know that's what I'm about, no. I'm not aiming to become famous. I just wanna play and sing this. The only competition I see is myself. I got a tunnel vision, kinda like a telescope. And I'm looking at, and I'm picking at everything that I can do to become better. I see a lot of people, hear a lot of things, talking about diamond rings and money things. I guess that happens when you hit the top, become unsatisfied with everything that you already got. It's all about the music. Don't mess around with girls who do it. They can lie to your fans. I'm singing from my shadow, you can call that shade. My verse is straight and my flow is hard. Paint my songs like a work of art. I never grew up listening to other stuff. You can say I'm kinda different, maybe even just a bluff. But let me tell you, I am 100% reality, authentic. I ain't into around fantasy, no. Only see that I'll be dancing in is a sea of fans and a sold out MSG. Maybe a year or two, maybe a year or three. It doesn't faze me, honestly. And even if I don't make it by then, I'll still be doing shows, so I'll make it in the end, yeah. And if you think I'm irrelevant, well then I must be relevant. Cause you took the time to listen to my song that I wrote on my bed in my bedroom. I don't sing for a backtrack, I write songs in my snapback. And I don't care what they say, I'm keeping it real, kinda like an acapella. I don't talk up with strangers, I got class and respect. And I don't care what they say, I'm keeping it real, kinda like an acapella. Acapella, 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 acapella. Keeping it real, kinda like an acapella. Acapella, 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 acapella. Keeping it real, kinda like an acapella. Sometimes I need to focus on myself and what I need. Sometimes I feel like my mind is on its own kind of speed. But I guess it's the way the girls who try to write like a beast. This is my feast. Don't ever classify me as a rapper. I spit a little bit and I can talk fast, but that's it. I ain't about the gold chains, ain't about the fake girls, ain't about the high life, ain't about the money. See, my lyrics are different, they come alive the minute I start to sing them. I would say that I put my soul all up in them, but I am a ginger, you know how that goes. The moment my feelings start paper like I'm a jailbreaker. I am committed, no crime to be charged for. You see me in bars, but don't know what I stand for. My fingers bleed when I pluck strings. I was never raised to play this guitar with a big thing. So why when I say things? Never coming to me asking if I wanna be the next big thing. I'm the next best thing, but you better get your facts straight. I don't need a record label just with my time, because if the people like it, then the people buy it. Why would I wanna hire another writer just to take it higher? Foolish. Like the gold you place in your hands. That's cool, gold, and I'm not cool by this fame game. It's Twitter game, I'm so lame, cause I'm verified on the inside. I don't need a blue check to be satisfied.
You should have seen it right now.
Take notes when I play this. Make strings when I play this. Take names when I play this. Take notes when I play this. Make strings when I play this. Take names when I play this. Take notes when I play this. Make strings when I play this. Take names when I play this. Take notes when I play this. You already know. Sing it with me now. Louder. Sing it with me now. You already know. I write songs in my snapback. And I don't care what they say, I'm keeping it real, kinda like an acapella. I don't use that auto-tune, I tune myself and my instrument. And I don't care what they say, I'm keeping it real, kinda like an acapella.